Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to your Sony Bravia TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This tutorial works for Sony Bravia TVs running Android TV software. Start by hitting the home button on your remote. From the home screen of your TV, go to the top right and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the Network and Accessories heading, and then select Bluetooth Settings. In Bluetooth Settings, click Add Device. It will now search for your Bluetooth mouse or keyboard. You'll need to make sure that the mouse is not connected to any other device, and you should put it into pairing mode if it has it. Select your device from the list to start pairing with it. It will tell you that it's paired once it worked. You can now use your Bluetooth mouse or keyboard or both to control your TV. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Sony Bravia tips and tricks.